coming out of the game and seems not very comfortable like in the preseason.
I think it's a total team effort. I give props to the guys, our coaching staff, especially our players, and we were able to execute the game plan and focus on our defense. I think emphasize that. But today, and so like I said, it's a total team effort. So I'm happy we got the goal.
Mas tinaran na 2020 to open the season. Siyempre maganda performance ko pero masaya na maganda yung nakita ni Juan.
Yeah, super saya kasi nga, nakaka-excite makalaro kasama siya sa niya. Magaling siya umanap ng kampi niya, magaling siya kumuha ng sarili ng nila. So, yun, sobrang excited ako para sa game na to, this conference.
Yung palang 2020 mo, sabi ko lang.
Yun nga, tulong-tulungan lang kasi kami. So, yun, thankful ako na nakakuha ko doon, pero yun, pinaka-masaya ako para sa panalo pa rin. So, yun, team effort talaga yun. Okay, first win to ni Vice Go as a head coach, so para sa kanya talaga.
So, siyempre nung pre-season, ang ganda yung mga resulta nyo at ngayong gabi, pinatunayan na talaga expectation ng tao sa inyo kaya nyo gawin na pero tingin nyo kung marami pa kayo dapat trabahuin para ma-meet pa yun.
Marami pa po. Kasi yung especially yung defense, yun yung number one na hindi namin right now. So more adjustment pa, especially on defense. At yun ang kailangan namin for every week, dapat na improve pa namin and make sure na enjoy ng mga bata yung game. Yun na lang. So, do their best, enjoy the game.
But are you aware na you're nearing the global government for the game?
Yeah, towards late the game, I was informed that I needed like a couple more rebounds and assists. So, I mean, I asked the coaches if I could just keep the game, and they allowed me. And, you know, it's not a bad way to start my NBA career, especially Gulf's first win as head coach. And so I said, just us players, we're just trying to just, yeah, just, you know, Gulf said, just enjoy the game, and you know, everyone's happy and everyone gets their chance. Just play the game the right way. So,
Did you have triple double in your career before?
and they had two in UAB college.
Diego, kumusta po ang feeling ng first time mo mag-group sa PJ? Medyo may kababa or medyo na tense?
Actually, isang linggo na ako nakakapilog na tara na. Nag-worry rin kasi ako at itong week na to, hindi ako nakakasin ng practice. Kung na naiintindihan naman nila, I need to do back injury sa other province. Naiintindihan naman nila. So, still masaya dahil God's blessing first week. Laking bagay po sa akin. Yan ang laking bagay sa mga to all the players. Reward kasi. Importante na rin.
Ano lang kita? Si Justin, 28 points, 22 rebounds on the World Cup. Ano yung numbers na pinatawag mo?
Focus lang din talaga ako sa kung anong magagawa ko sa loob ng court and syempre sa tulong ng mga teammates ko. And yun, nagawa ko yun. Sobrang thankful ako sa binigay sa akin opportunity ng team na to. So yun.
Nakatulong ka na wala si Angie.
Hindi ko naman iniisip yun kasi sa mindset ko naman kahit sino makalaban kahit same, isa pa rin ng tao pa rin yun. So same lang kami nila kahit so wala naman.
Look, medyo natawakan ng nasi. Natawagin si Angie na Beba. Ano kami talaga nawala siya.
No, kasi yung game plan namin talaga nakikita din eh. Yung last game nila, nakita nyo naman ginawa ng alaga ko kung gaano ka gabi that, yun ang game plan ng